Hello everyone! This e-bike equipped with a 48-volt 750-watt motor and have an option to choose between rear-wheel drive and dual-wheel drive mode that allows you to select the most suitable driving mode according to your needs. In terms of range, this e-bike comes with a 48-volt 28Ah battery, offering exceptionally long-lasting battery life. That means that you can confidently navigate through the city without frequently hassle of recharging. Now, let's move on and unbox this e-bike together. It's time to unbox this e-bike. In my case, I'm gonna use scissors. You can use knife. Let's start. Okay, so we here have front fender. This is a keep stand. Also we have tire pump and front light. Now let's open this box first. Let's install the handlebar. First we have to unscrew these 4 bolts. And we have to put handlebar right between. Okay, let's tighten the screws. Okay, after we finish putting the handlebar, let's install the keep stander. First we need to untie these bolts. After we untie these bolts, we are ready to install a keep stand. Okay, we are ready to assemble the wheels. Now we have to take off the screw. After we're ready to install the wheel, pay attention to this cable. These 2 cables should connect together. Okay. Now we have to screw the corresponding screw. Okay, so we have to put everything back and screw. Have to do everything the same. Screw these 2 small screw and then big one. Now we're ready to move on. Okay, now we're ready to install front fender. First, we have to unscrew this screw. These tools what we have to use. Okay, let's unscrew it first. Then we have to install the fender. Let's install the fender. Now we have to screw. When we install the fender, put in position, we have to screw it. First we have to place this cable in here, then connect another cable. Here I have a pointer and here. Just follow these 2 pointers and connect it together, just like that. When you install the light, please pay attention. This is the bottom, this is the top. So it should be like that. We have to remove these bolts first, take off, and then we're ready to install it. Now we have to use these two tools and install the light. And we're done. Okay, so we have three cables. We have one red cable, one green cable, and another one is a red cable. So we should connect it proper, green to green and red to red. Now it's time to install the pedals. So we have right and left. Let's install them properly. So this one is the left. You can see these pedals connect. Here we have a small sign that indicates that this pedal is left. Let's install it first. So this pedal is right, and here is indicator for right pedal. So we should adjust this pedal here. Okay, now we're ready to install. Okay, let's install this one first. We have a puzzle here and here. Put it together and press up until you hear a click, just like that. After, we put this bolt inside first, and then connect it all together. And then tight this bolt. Okay, and now tighten up this one, and we're ready to install. Okay, we're ready to install phone holder. Just place it like that, tie the screw. Let's tighten the screws. So we have the charger. We have to connect this cable, plug inside here, just like that. And we're ready to go. This yellow cable we're gonna connect to our e-bike charger port. Now we have to open e-bike charger port and plug yellow cable in, just like that. Okay, let's charge our e-bike. Just plug in. Okay, now pay attention to the light in here. If the red light, it means that your motorbike still need to charge. If the green light, it means you're good to go. Also, you can take this battery to charge. First, you need to plug the key in the keyhole. After, press the key and push the battery. Now you unplug the battery and you can take it to home and charge it. To charge the battery, you just need to put this cable in. Kick up the stands and we're ready to go.